welcome to the ScaraBeads channel, my dear craftswomen. I am Galina Cheremisina, and today we are going to review the technique of brick stitch from ScaraBeads on this pendant example. Also, today you have a chance to get $30 coupon in our shop ScaraBeads.com. More information in the end of the video. ScaraBeads have form of diamond with two holes. They resemble popular SuperDuo beads, however they are bigger, with clearer pattern on the side surface. For the pendant I took ScaraBead of two colors, red and dark blue. String 3 seed beads and 1 ScaraBead. With the second needle, pass through the same hole of the ScaraBead towards the first needle. Pull tight and align beads in the center of the thread. This will be the first row of our pendant. For the transfer to the second row, string by 2 seed beads on each needle. On the right needle, string 1 ScaraBead and then pass through the second hole of the first row SO. Pick up the second SO. With the left needle, go in opposite directions through all ScaraBeads in the first and second rows. The third row consists of 3 beads. For the transfer, string by 2 seed beads. Add new ScaraBead, pass through the second hole of the bead from the previous row. Then string red SO, pass through the second hole of the second bead from the previous row. The last one ScaraBead to string is the blue one. With the second needle we pass through all ScaraBeads in opposite direction. Like that we continue to weave, expanding the canvas up to 5 beads in the row and following the pattern. We got such a triangle. After the 5th row, we start to reduce the width of the pendant. For the transfer on fold, we string by 3 seed beads and immediately push the needle into the second hole of the same SO. Now we weave the row as usual and adding new beads according to the pattern. We continue to do smooth decrease. In normal rows there will be by 2 seed beads. We are getting dense enough textured pattern. Decrease 3 rows till 2 ScaraBeads in the row. The next row will be wider, from 3 ScaraBeads. String 2 seed beads for transfer, add blue bead, return into the second hole of the previous row bead and finish the row. And again, we start to reduce. We do fold with 3 seed beads. Another 2 rows we reduce smoothly using 2 seed beads for transfer. We have completed the figure. As the last step, we need to arrange top tip with a loop for the pendant. Take 1 needle, string 2 seed beads and go into the top hole of the last SO bead. Pick up 7 seed beads for the loop and pass through the same bead hole in the same direction. The loop should be straightened. Sew once more all 7 beads and the SO bead. We are missing 2 seed beads in the border, so I will fill the gap. The pendant is ready. Fix both ends of the thread with couple of knots and cut off the extra. In the same manner and technique, different triangles and diamond-shaped figures could be done. Here, for example, gorgeous hairpin with 3 elements. Try your own shapes and patterns and share with us pictures of your project. Wide range of beautiful beads you will always find in ScaraBeads shop. And see you soon again on our channel. To get $30 coupon, just subscribe to our channel, like the video and leave a comment. We'll pick up a random winner in 2 weeks. Check our next video to see if you are lucky.